It's January, and it's time that people typically set New Year resolutions. But it's no secret that New Year resolutions actually kinda suck. And most people fail at their New Year resolutions. There's evidence for this, so much evidence. The question though is, when we kick off the new year, it is good, it is great to have a vision for where we want the year to take us and to start putting in place the right practices to get there. But if New Year resolutions fail and traditional goal settings fail equally as bad, how do we actually create massive changes in 2022, especially since this year is going to be so disruptive? Well, here's what I want to share. I'm a collector, but while some people collect stamps or books, what I collect are ideas that transform human life. I built the world's biggest platform for this, Mindvalley, and worked with many of the greatest teachers in every dimension of becoming a better human being. But what many people don't know is that underlying all of this, I'm a computer engineer, and I analyze and evaluate and correlate and collect case studies on all of these different practices, so I know what works and what doesn't work. I've interviewed close to 1,000 people, according to CNBC, and identified the practices that truly lead to an elevation in human performance. And what I'm going to do this coming week is to teach a 6-day class free online to give you the best tools that you can use in 2022. How powerful are these tools? Well, here are a couple of people that you've probably heard about or read about in the press who have stated publicly that they use my tools. Billboard magazine spoke about R&B artist Miguel, who uses one of my tools called the 6-Phase with his entire team before going onto their concerts. Tony Gonzalez, one of the top 100 NFL footballers of all time, spoke about using some of my tools in an interview in the New York Times. Bianca Andreescu, the 19-year-old girl who beat Serena Williams, credited some of my tools with helping her win the US Open tennis championships. And it's not just the press. Every now and then I get beautiful videos from people like this guy, Matthew Russell.
We're just talking about your programs. I've been using them for 7 years. You're a big catalyst on where I am today.
Who credited some of these tools with helping him hit incredible dreams, in his case, playing at a massive music festival. And you should totally check out his music on Spotify. These tools have changed the lives not just of musicians and athletes, but of people everywhere. It's just that musicians and athletes love these because they instantly see the result. You apply one of these mental scripts I'm about to give you, and you go out there and you crush it in terms of the points on your next game, or you crush it on stage. You instantly see that. But you can just as well apply this to life itself, to your relationships, to your health, to your career, to your goals. It's a slower movement because no one is measuring your score or the quality of your performance, but it still works equally well. So I'm putting together a 6-day challenge that will completely transform everyone who participates. And you're going to learn mastery over many of these powerful tools. All the information is below, and I can't wait to get this out to you guys. You may be wondering, why am I doing this free? Well, I think it's a great way to serve my audience and my community and introduce many of these incredible ideas to tons and tons and tons of people. So tell your friends about this, sign up, and all I ask is that you commit. Now, I know how it is, guys. If this was something that was just on YouTube, you would endlessly procrastinate before watching it. So this is going to be a live class because I feel energized when I'm talking to a live person, and I do my best job when I have a live audience on me. And this class is going to be happening at specific dates, no recordings. So if you're serious, show up. And I do promise you this, the 40 minutes or so we spend together every single day is going to make a remarkable difference in your life. I'm hoping that at the end of 2022, you're going to look back at these 6 40-minute sessions and say that this was the best time you spent on yourself this year. So I'll see you there. The link is above or below this video.